This is Todd with Electrical Service. We're here to debut the Mega Trailer. This is a standard 20-foot car haul trailer. All the walls are standard installation. Ceilings are 17. Everything's floated down to 2.5-inch studs, steel stud framing inside with a 7/16 OSB board, and then we have the aluminum skin on top of it. It's powered by a 20 kW diesel generator. It'll produce 20 kilowatts of electricity, comparable to about 60 amps. On the front of the trailer right now we have a 5 horsepower 2-stage air compressor with an 80-gallon tank. We're running 3 prep stations, 4 paint stations. We have 2 explosion-proof fans on the front half of the trailer where we're painting. In the back here we have just a single downdraft fan, wheel straightener. We also have a sloped rear end going out the back door for easier access inside.